Green Valley Medical Clinic. Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hello, good morning. I want to make an appointment with a doctor.
I can help you with that. Are you a new patient at our clinic?
Yes, I am a new patient. I moved to this city last week.
Welcome to our city. What is your full name, please?
My name is Leo Miller. Spelling it is Leomiller.
Thank you, Leo. Can I have your phone number, please?
Yes, my phone number is 555-1234.
Perfect. Why do you need to see the doctor?
I have a bad stomach ache. It started 2 days ago.
I am sorry to hear that. Do you have a fever, too?
No, I do not have a fever, but my stomach hurts a lot.
Okay. Dr. Green is free today at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
2 o'clock is perfect. I can come at that time.
Great. Please arrive 15 minutes early. Bring your ID card.
Okay, I will bring my ID card. Thank you very much.
You are welcome, Leo. See you this afternoon at 1:45.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Goodbye, Leo. Take care. Good afternoon. Welcome back to Green Valley Clinic.
Good afternoon. I am Leo Miller. I have an appointment at 2 o'clock.
Hello, Leo. Yes, I see your name on my computer.
Great. Here is my ID card. You asked for it on the phone.
Thank you. I need to copy your information.
No problem. Do I need to fill out any medical forms?
Yes, please. Please fill out this short health form.
Okay. Can I borrow a pen, please?
Here is a blue pen. You can sit in the waiting room.
Thank you. Where is the waiting room?
It is right behind you. It has the blue chairs.
I see it now. How long is the wait today?
The doctor is on time. The wait is only 10 minutes.
That is wonderful. My stomach really hurts right now.
Please sit down and relax. I will call you soon.
Okay. I am finished with the form now. Here it is.
Thank you, Leo. The doctor will see you shortly.
Excellent. Thank you for your help.
Hello, Leo. I am Dr. Green. Please come in and sit down.
Hello, Dr. Green. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Nice to meet you too. How can I help you today?
I feel very sick. My stomach hurts badly.
I see. When did this pain start?
It started on Wednesday evening after dinner.
Where exactly does it hurt? Can you show me?
It hurts right here in the middle.
Okay. Did you eat anything unusual on Wednesday?
I ate seafood at a new restaurant.
I see. Do you feel sick to your stomach?
Yes, I feel a little bit nauseous.
Are you taking any medicine right now?
No, I am not taking any medicine.
Do you have any food allergies?
No, I do not have any allergies.
Okay. Please lie down on the medical bed.
Okay, I am ready.
I am going to press on your stomach now. Tell me if it hurts.
Ouch! Yes, it hurts right there.
Okay, you can sit up now. Take a deep breath for me. Like this? Yes, perfect. Your lungs sound very clear and healthy.
That is good news. Is my stomach okay?
I need to check your temperature first. Open your mouth, please.
Ah.
Your temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. That is normal.
Okay. Do I need to go to the hospital?
No, you do not need to go to the hospital.
Oh, thank goodness. What is wrong with me?
You have a mild case of food poisoning.
Food poisoning? From the seafood?
Yes, that is very likely. It happens sometimes.
Is it dangerous? Is it dangerous? I am a bit worried.
Do not worry. It is not dangerous. You will be fine.
What should I do now?
You need to rest for 2 days. Drink a lot of water.
Okay. Can I eat regular food?
Eat simple foods like rice, bananas, and toast.
I understand. No spicy food or seafood.
I am writing a prescription for you now.
What kind of medicine is it?
It is medicine to stop the stomach pain.
How often do I take it?
Take 1 pill every 8 hours.
Should I take it with food?
Yes. Take it after you eat a small meal.
How many days do I need to take it?
Take it for 3 days only.
Okay. Can I go to work tomorrow?
No. You should stay home tomorrow and rest.
Okay. I will stay home. I need a medical note for my boss.
I can write a medical note for you. Here it is.
Thank you, Dr. Green. I appreciate it.
You are welcome. Drink plenty of warm water.
I will do that. When should I come back?
You do not need to come back if you feel better.
And if I still feel sick next week?
If you still feel sick on Monday, call us immediately.
Okay. Thank you for your time, doctor.
Hello again, Leo. How was your visit with Dr. Green?
It was good. He says I have food poisoning.
Oh, dear. I hope the medicine helps you feel better quickly.
Yes. I have the medicine paper here.
Thank you. Let me look at the prescription.
Do you have this medicine here at the clinic?
Yes, we have it in our small pharmacy shop.
Great. How much does the medicine cost?
The medicine is $15.
Okay. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept cash, credit cards, and debit cards.
Perfect. I will pay with my credit card.
Thank you. Please tap your card here.
Done. Did the payment go through?
Yes, it is approved. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. Where is my medicine?
Here is your bottle of medicine. The instructions are on the front.
1 pill every 8 hours, right?
Yes, that is correct. Take it after meals.
Okay. Thank you for everything today.
Don't forget your ID card on the counter.
Oh, thank you so much. I almost forgot it.
You are welcome. Your health form is safe with us, too.
Great. I am glad everything is finished.
Do you have a ride home today, Leo?
No, I am going to walk. My apartment is very close.
Walking is fine, but walk slowly. Do not run.
I will walk very slowly. I do not have any energy.
Drink some water as soon as you get home.
Yes, I am very thirsty right now.
Goodbye, Leo. I hope you feel better tomorrow.
Thank you, Sarah. Goodbye.
Take care of yourself.
I will. Bye-bye.
Bye.